stop dancing now?
I can't do it with this song. It's too fast.
Pickle! Where are you going?
Well winches come on at 12:45.
I can't run very well when the sword is in my thing, so.
I love these things. They're headdresses. They go on top.
Ooh, look at the scully
They
one.
come down like here.
You should buy one.
Huh? The wind or something. I have to come back here later, guys, because I want to do this.
What?
So I have to come back here later and do this.
Use a half-inch piece.
Actually, you know what?
Likes to come up and grab one. Chip!
Every day I'm juggling.
Nice wind.
What?
What's the song? What's the song?
Stop! Stop! Just shut up. I hit you way too much. I'm sorry.
I'm Batman.
What is this for? What are you doing?
I don't know. What are you talking about?
NSFW?
Pointed at my face.
Not safe for work? What is not? No. No. No.
It took me forever to figure out what the
No. Yeah, no thank you.
like, I just did a bear. So.
You can do pterodactyl pretty well.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
Sorted.
Jolly good. Oh, I say. Good job. I almost inhaled my gum and choked.
That's why you don't pterodactylize yourself.